Paul, quite an interesting story here at Plalite in Sittingbourne in Kent. Now, last time we spoke to you, Whitehouse Machine Tools were commissioning these Brothers M140 machines. Now, could you tell me exactly why Blum measurement systems are actually on these machines and why they chose Blum Novotest?
It's really great to see these machines in operation now, having been there when they were being prepped. It's absolutely fantastic to see and see them working so well. And we've got a fantastic relationship with Whitehouse and working very closely with them. And we've actually got our TC52 workpiece measuring system on here and our TC76 spindle probe tool measuring system on here as well. And what these are just trying to achieve is basically automating the process just to make sure that the workpiece and the tool are doing exactly what they're supposed to be doing, and that every product that is being produced by this machine is exactly right every time. And ensuring that these guys who do run out of hours ensure that this process requires minimal operator involvement, and they're running it throughout the night, and they can ensure that these machines are doing exactly what they're supposed to do. It's low maintenance, low operator involvement, and they are operated by batteries, but the batteries themselves do last an awfully long time, and it's like they don't just die, they will let you know when they're about to run out themselves. So it really is a low maintenance, low involvement system that could just make sure that that workpiece, the product that's being produced, is correct every time.
So really what you're saying, this process has become more automated then?
Yes. More automated every time. It's all about repeatability. It's all about ensuring that this machine enhances its productivity, so there's no wastage. Just make sure that that part is right every time.
And from the future, other customers, are you seeing a lot of your systems going on to machines like this and other machines for automation?
Yes, yeah, all over the country. We've seen phenomenal growth over the past year, 2 years, and I've just seen with our LC50 Digilog, it's now a system that really is sort of getting into the market. It's becoming very well known, and it's just the quality of the products and the quality of the measurements it produces is fantastic, and it really does show that automation is the way forward, and we can really help support that.
You're in charge of this cell here at Plalite. You've got these fantastic Brother M140s here. Now, Blum Novotest have actually supplied you some measuring equipment here, but could you tell me exactly what they are and how it's helped you here?
It's basically to help set the tools and also to keep the jobs consistent size-wise. Any tools on any wear on tools, it just comes in and can detect any breakages, come in and probe bores, slots, and just adjust tools accordingly for the next job.
So really this has become more of an automated system, lights out engineering, and you didn't have that before without the Blum Novotest systems?
No, I mean we've got a night shift, so that helps no end with keeping, like I say, keeping the job consistent and keeping the machines running overnight.
So from your point of view, looking after this fantastic cell here, what confidence has it given to you for the Blum Novotest systems here?
Like I say, it's just confidence for the night shift. It's so quick and easy to set tools and just probe jobs and adjust accordingly, really.